Let's learn how to use the RICOH THETA API. We're going to improve these images by accessing the HDR API of the Theta. We're also going to see how to grab thumbnails, grab dozens of thumbnails with just a single command, and also disable sleep and power off delay so that you can program endlessly throughout the day. HDR will take multiple images and get the correct or the best lighting conditions automatically. The output will be a JPEG. You can see that right currently the filter is off right here. So this way it is, there's hyphen hyphen no hyphen enable or hyphen hyphen enable. So I'm going to enable it. Okay, now if I check options again, the filter here is going to be HDR. So I'm going to take and download the picture again. Remember last time it took like 4 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds. But with HDR, theoretically it should be longer here. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the shutter sound is actually different with HDR as well too. This is 1.3, it's not non-HDR, this is HDR. Obviously the windows here, which is what HDR really shines on, is much better, right? When you're doing development, you may want to disable the sleep delay or the off delay. So there's a different timer for putting the camera to sleep, and there's a different timer for turning the camera off. This is with the SC2. So looking at the help file here, there's an off disable and there's a sleep disable. So right now sleep is disabled. That number you saw, that does indicate that the sleep is disabled, but we can disable it again. So sleep disable. And I'm going to do off disable too. I have my camera plugged into a USB cable, so that's why I can work on it all day without having to mess with the battery. So at this point, if I check options again, this number, if you look at the API documentation, it does indicate that the camera should not turn off automatically and it should not go to sleep automatically either. If you want to see what files you have on the camera, you can just do list files. So I have 27 files here. I'm going to grab the thumbnail. So if you want, as you know, the thumbnails are in it's in bytecode. So this is how a single thumbnail looks, right? When you're grabbing it, you can use your program itself to write it to file. So I'll grab the 27 thumbs right here. Again, the source code for this, oh, mistake. The source code for this is available, so it's supposed to be a demonstration. So it's loading 27 small files. They're thumbnails, right? So the image size is going to be much smaller than the 3 meg you would get from the full image size. So they look kind of the same at this view, right? Because you can't tell that it's been reduced, but you know, looking at the size, this thing is 7K, and the normal image is 3.8K, 3.8 meg. So it could be quite quick if you have 1,000 thumbnails or something you want to grab here. I think you can see the resolution is quite reduced, right? Because it's a thumbnail, it's much smaller. But it can kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, or if you're just doing testing, you can see it like this. This would be the full size of the thumbnail. It's good for your app or your mobile app, right? So you can suck in all the images or the thumbnails very quickly. There's a bug in the API documentation, so you should probably, you can ask us a question in the forum, or I can tell you exactly how to get this, the thumbnails on here. Obviously, I'm downloading all the thumbnails, so there's a way to get all the thumbnails with one command. There's more. There's more videos on how to use this command line API tester. You can use the same commands in your mobile apps to get the thumbnails, to get motion JPEG streaming, rotate the panoramic views, and more. The videos are on here at the site, theta360.guide/special/sc2. You can also log in with any email, and you can get the binaries for the tool that we've been using. Just download it, and you can then run it right here on your local computer. Hope to see you soon. Give us a feedback and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.